Good morning, students. Already we have started our next lesson, that is judiciary. Then we have discussed already the role of judiciary. First one, the dispute resolution, judicial review, and upholding the law, and enhancing the fundamental rights. That are the three major roles of judiciary. Then we have seen the judiciary as an independent body, and it is looking at checking of the legislative and executive work, but they are not. They all three are independent body. Then we are thinking about what is the structure of our court in India. We are coming to the topic, that is a new topic for us, that is the structure of our court, that we know already. And the how our government structure that we have studied in 6th standard and 7th standard, top, that is the central government, then comes the state government, then comes the local governments. We studied that one. Like that, in court also we can see the uppermost one, that is the Supreme Court. The second one, it is the state courts, that is we are calling the supreme power of the court in the state. It is known as the high courts. Then it comes the district courts or the local courts or the lower level courts, like that. That is the three divisions of courts. Okay, let us see. There are three different levels of courts in our country. We are having three levels of courts, and there were several courts that at the lower level, while there is only one at the apex level, means the topmost level we are having only one court, but in the lower level, how we are having the municipality and the village, like that, the different names we are given, like that. The court also having the different small courts in the local area, in taluka level or in the district level, or like that divisions we can see in the lower level, but in the topmost that is only one court, that we are calling it Supreme Court. The court of the most people interact with which are what is called the subordinate or district courts. They means when we are facing some problem, first we want to file the case, not in the case of fundamental rights, other situation we can file the case in the subordinate court or in the district court. Okay, each and every district we are having the district courts. Then there are usually at the district or the tahsil level or in the town, or they hear many kinds of cases. We can see the some area, if the district the population of the district it is more, then we can see the district court as well as the tahsil courts we can see, because the division will be there to solve people's problem very easily, and we will file the case first there, and they will hear all types of case. Means we know the criminal case, civil case, like that, many types of case, that details you will study in coming lesson. So all types of cases they will listen in the lower level, and each state is divided into districts that are the preside over by the district judge, or usually it is coming the topmost power, it is coming in the hands of district collector. So the district judge is the means the presiding officer of the district courts. And each state has a high court, which is the highest court in the state. In the state level we can see the high court, that is the topmost powerful court, and that is we are having the, at the at the top, that is the Supreme Court, that is located in the in New Delhi, and it is presided over by the Chief Justice of India. Chief Justice of India is presiding over the Supreme Court. Then that is the office means building is there in New Delhi, and the decision made by the Supreme Court are binding on all other courts of India. If that one decision taken by Supreme Court, then all other courts should follow the same thing. For example, now CBSE to conduct the remaining exams of 10th and 12th, it was not possible because of this corona situation. Then court asked to CBSE, what you people are going to do with the exam, how you will give the result. Then CBSE given the file to the reply to the court. Then afterwards court studied it and said like that, you can announce our result without conducting exam, like that. So the remaining exam of 10th and 12th without conducting, they announced the result and given the mark according to their performance in the school level itself. So here it is given one pyramid shape, then we will write what it will come in upside, that is the Supreme Court, SC, not scheduled caste, it is Supreme Court. You can write it to full Supreme Court. Then second level it is comes in every state, that is the High Courts, HC. Then it is coming the district courts or local courts, like that the divisions of the court. Okay, let us read the structure of the court from the lower to the highest level is such that that is the resembles of a pyramid, like a pyramid it is the shape. So we have written, and you can write with the pencil as it is. And having read the description above, can you fill out which type of courts would exist, what level, and in the following diagram. So you want to write like this: a Supreme Court. First one it is Supreme. Okay, let me write a short form: Supreme Court. And where it is? It is the national level. And where is that office? That is in New Delhi. Okay, New Delhi. And second one it is the High Courts. And where it is? In every state level, and usually it is coming with the capital city of that particular state. Then the local courts or district courts, it is coming each and every district. And this is the like this you want to fill it. That is one of work you can do. Then next one it is the we can see the High Court of Madras. It is given the building of High Court of Madras, like that each and every state we are having the state court. And Supreme Court picture, it was there in the starting of the lesson. We can see this is the Supreme Court building, and downside it is given Tamil Nadu High Court building picture. Okay, then here it is given the High Court were first established in the three presidency cities of Calcutta, Mumbai and Madras. In starting there was only three presidencies, means provinces of East India Company, that was in Calcutta, Mumbai and Madras, that established in 1882. Then currently there are 25 high courts. Means each and every state having the High Court building. Some of the states that they are small, so they are sharing with other states. Okay. Punjab and Haryana state have having a common High Court, that is in Chandigarh. Even their capital also together they are means in the same city they are made. And for northeastern states, Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh, they are having the High Court at Guwahati. Guwahati is the capital of Assam. So there we can see the High Court for northeastern states, which states Assam, Nagaland, Mizoram and Arunachal Pradesh. Then Andhra Pradesh and Telangana have separate high courts that from January 2019 onwards. And Andhra Pradesh it is in Amravati, and Telangana it is in Hyderabad. They already separated up to 2019. It was same, even though they separated state as a separation. It is in 2014, but High Court and the capital building, means the legislative assembly building, everything was together up to 2019. Then some high courts have branches in other parts of the state because of the greater the state is bigger one. For example, Karnataka state, it is a big state, so it is having the high court extension. One high court is there in Bangalore, another one is there in Gulbarga. So the people of North Karnataka, they can approach the High Court of Gulbarga. Means the rules and regulations everything same, only extension, because the people can't access the High Court in the capital city. So they want to travel overnight to reach to Bangalore. So they are having like that extension there in Gulbarga. So like that some states having the high courts. Even capitals, they are changing their capitals according to season. When Jammu and Kashmir was a state, that time usually we are saying like that Srinagar is the capital. When the seasons are not allowing them to come together and work together, that time they are changing the capital from Jammu and Kashmir. They are exchanging their capital according to the season. Like that some changes we can see in some states. Okay, we are moving to the next part. Okay, we will continue in next video.